Right now, we are talking about the Doctrine of Part Performance, which is in Section 53A of the Transfer of Property Act. It is a right of defense. Suppose a contract is in writing, it is signed, but it is not registered. Now, there is an illustration which we need to focus. A is the transferor. A has given the possession of the land to B, and B has paid 1 lakh out of 2 lakh, which is the valuation of the land. The contract is writing, the contract is signed, but it is not registered. Only registration is missing between the contract of A and B. A has performed part of his performance as he has given the possession of the land to B, and B has performed part of his performance as he has paid half of the amount to A. Now, what happens? A subsequently sells the land for 2.5 lakh to C. C is the subsequent transferee. Now, C wants to dispossess B out of the land. What happens here? The doctrine of part performance under section 53A saves B. It is a right of defense. It does not give B the right of ownership because the transferee can only defend his possession, cannot get the ownership. The fault of the C, the subsequent transferee, is he did not look for encumbrances. And the fault of B is the contract between A and B is in writing and signed but is not registered. Now, if we see the ingredients of part performance, that is section 53A of the Transfer of Property Act 1882, you will see first this is a immovable property and there is transfer for consideration and the contract is in writing and signed but it is not registered. The transferee has the possession of the property. The transferee is continuing with the possession. The transferee has done something in furtherance of the contract. He has paid or partly paid, and the transferor has given him the possession of the land. And the last ingredient is the transferee can take the defense to save his possession. That he can claim that he should not be dispossessed or evicted from the property. For how many days he should not be dispossessed, it is up to the subjective satisfaction of the court. It is based on equity. It is based on passive equity. That means there is no right of action. It provides merely a right of defense. The transferor is not entitled to dispossess the subsequent transferee, the bona fide transferee, from his right of ownership of that immovable property. It is the most simple explanation that I can provide from my part. And if you feel that it has helped you to some extent, you can give me a like and subscribe to the channel. And also check out, most importantly, the other videos which are in this channel on the Transfer of Property Act. Drop your comment for engagement. Thank you so much.